Hello guys, and welcome back to your favorite channel, Naija News and Entertainment. So yesterday during the live eviction show, Ozo revealed that Dorathy will be making the biggest mistake of her life if she left him. Bbnaija 2020 housemate Ozo has voiced out over triangle situation with Nengi and Dorathy. Ebuka Obi-Uchendu, official host of Bbnaija during Sunday night eviction, asked Dorathy what she feels for Ozo. Dorathy insisted that she is just friends with Ozo and has no feelings for him. However, Brighto was not convinced, adding that he thinks Dorathy has feelings for Ozo. This caused tension in the house after the eviction show, which had Eric and Tochi exit the house. Ozo, addressing the situation in a meeting with housemates, insisted that his relationship with Nengi and Dorathy is a straight line and not a triangle as assumed. According to him, Dorathy is just his close friend and she would make the worst mistake of her life if she ends their friendship because of public perception. Ozo said it's my decision to still be around Nengi without anyone's approval. The worst mistake you make is to let public perception ruin the kind of friendship we have. He further stated that he still has feelings for Nengi as much as he has always had. Okay guys, you've heard it all. Ozo cherishes his friendship with Nengi. So guys, let's just watch out and see where all this leads to. So please, if this is your first time of watching my channel, watching my video, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when a story drops.